Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Valentine's Day. My kids are at school right now, so I actually went to Publix to go pick up the Krispy Kreme Valentine's donuts, but I guess it was already too late. Not sure because their website says they get fresh Krispy Kreme donuts every day, but there was no Valentine's Day donuts there. So I ended up just picking up their favorite cake, but this time I want to do this time I'm doing a vanilla cake and a buttercream frosting. I usually do the chocolate cake, so I want to change it up. So I had to get that since they didn't have the donuts. So I also want to make minis cupcakes, which I thought were really cute to make. So they could have that. And then if I have more batter left, I'm going to do a heart cake with the rest of the mix. So that way it'll have like a Valentine's Day theme. And I'm going to use the sprinkles that I had showed before. So I want to get this done and get it in the oven. So once again, all you need is 1 cup of water, which I use milk, 1/3 cup of oil, and 3 eggs. So let's get started. I just want to make them a little cake for when they come home from school. They'll have something to snack on. And yeah, so today's a beautiful day, but it's just a little cold. Hopefully they'll like this one. They usually, like I said, eat the chocolate. So I'm just gonna put this in the bowl. And then 1/3 cup of oil. 1 cup of milk, and then the eggs, which I'm going to do in here to make sure I don't get none of that eggshells in my cake. Let's mix this all together. Okay. So you're going to spray your pans with cooking spray. And here I got 3, 6, 9, 12. So it'll be 12 minis. It's super cute. I made them mini cupcakes a while back and they actually like it. So okay guys, so this is what we have so far. Okay guys, so this is how these look, and I use this one, the sprinkle ones, and then I use this one that has like that. So this is still hot. I have to wait for it to cool down before I put the frosting on it. So we'll be back. So I decided to change it up and add some pink food coloring to the icing. So I don't know. I don't want to pipe it pink, or should I pipe it pink? I was gonna just make it pink and then pipe it like red. Okay guys, so once the cake came out the oven, once it was warm, I decided to change the color of the frosting to pink. So I did one layer of pink, and then I wanted to change it up to red, and then I decided to do purple. But on camera, it doesn't look purple, like it needed to be more brighter. So it's like a dull purple. And then I add some sprinkles. So I ended up writing on the cake Valentine's Day because it wouldn't fit everything because the cake is small. And then at the end is just a little clip that we took the kids to see Dogman, and we went out to eat at Red Robin's, and that's how we enjoyed our Valentine's Day weekend. So bye guys.